Hey folks, I'm Tony.
And I'm Tina.
And we're TNT RVing. What are we up to today, Teen?
We are up to something kind of fun today. We are getting Belle new shoes. She's getting new tires from Goodyear, and we're having Goodyear Mobile come out and put them on. So that'll be cool.
And safe for this up and coming season, for sure. So Belle's tires are 5 years old, and I wanted to share with you where you can find the age of your tires. So let's go take a look. So right on the tires here, and ours happens to be on the bottom, you'll see this date code. And what that means, it's upside down, but what that means is 2920 is the 29th week of 20 is when these were made. And overall, they're really in good shape. They're wearing evenly. There's a little bit of cracking on the edges here starting. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's superficial. And I was researching this, and one of the things Goodyear recommends that your tires get replaced every 6 years. So Tina and I chose to do it on the 5th year instead of the 6th year.
Yeah, we don't want any problems. And it's better safe than sorry. So.
Right. And you figure if you have as you all know, if you have a blowout on your travel trailer tire, you're going to do some damage to it. And I'd rather just be safe and get it done early.
Now the only thing we're hoping is that the weather holds, because it's starting to thunder a little bit over there, so we'll see what happens.
And that's kind of neat thing about Goodyear, their mobile tire service, is they come out no matter rain or snow or what have you, to your house, to your place of business, and they will change your tires, they balance them, everything. And say you're getting your vehicle done, they'll give you a coupon to have your alignment check, which is also kind of neat.
It's very handy, especially for RVs. Then you don't have to take it into tow it in to get the tires changed. They just come right to your house.
Or pull them off and drag them in.
You can do that too.
But still, that's a lot of messing around. Yeah. So I'd rather have them come out and do it for us.
And to make it easier for the Goodyear Mobile people, you'll see Belle is already hooked up to the Beast with the Hensley, just to make things a little...
Hensley.
Yeah.
Great hitch.
Yeah. So just to make it easier for them. So nothing's going to roll forward because the parking brake is set.
Alrighty, so Ollie from Goodyear Mobile Tire Service is here. It's sprinkled a bit, and he got a couple tires off. I want to show you how he jacked up the RV and inside his truck as well. And first off, I want to show you, look at how he lifted the RV up here, right underneath the brackets there. Nice. And they even have these neat jack rod safety jack stands for their jack. So nice setup here. And of course, let's show you what the truck looks like. And inside here, got a balance machine. Look at the nice tire changing machine here. And all the tires are ready to go on there. The other thing Ollie told me was, not only is Goodyear servicing your vehicle or your travel trailer, doing tires, but pretty soon they're going to be doing oil changes as well, which is kind of neat. All right, so around the back here, I want to show you the back of his truck. So our tires were back here, but if you notice, look, we have dispensers, and those are oil dispensers on either side. And here we have 5W30, 5W20, 0W20, 0W16, and their levels and stuff. And right here is their waste tank for the waste oil. And the way he explained it to me is when they come and they're changing your oil at your house, what they do is where you fill your oil, the cap, they attach a fitting on that creates a vacuum. So they create this vacuum and then remove the drain plug underneath without spilling a drop. They put a fitting in there and they pump all the oil out without spilling a drop. And then they button it all back up and then use these dispensers here to pump oil. So right now it's not on the website, but that is something that they're going to be offering soon. So that's kind of neat. I figured I'd share that with you as well. Well, there you have it, folks. Ali from Goodyear Mobile Tire did a fantastic job. Great guy. And I definitely would recommend Goodyear Mobile Tire, not only for tires on your vehicle and your travel trailer, but also they're going to be rolling out this new oil change service. So that is really neat as well.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
So,
So here we go. Here's Belle's new shoes. Look how pretty.
Yes, and these are manufactured, look at this, the 10th week of 2025. Hopefully you can see that. Looking good. We should be set for another 5 years, or the next owner of Belle will be set for the next 5 years. Who knows what we'll do. But at any rate, I hope you found this video helpful, useful, entertaining possibly. And if you did, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to TNT RVing.
Yeah, give us a big thumbs up, a like, and we'll see you at the campground.
TNT RVing.